Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the lives and journeys of extraordinary individuals who have achieved immense success. In today's video, we are delving into the untold story of Bernard Arnault, the mastermind behind the throne. Get ready to be inspired by his incredible journey to becoming one of the richest men in the world. Born in France in 1949, Bernard Arnault's entrepreneurial spirit was evident from a young age. He had an unwavering vision and an unquenchable thirst for success. Despite facing challenges and obstacles along the way, he never lost sight of his dreams. Arnault's true genius was revealed when he took over the helm of his family's construction business and transformed it into something extraordinary. He recognized the untapped potential in the luxury industry and knew that he had the ability to redefine the concept of luxury. Arnault's strategic acquisitions and collaborations played a pivotal role in his journey to success. By acquiring iconic brands such as Louis Vuitton, Dior, and Tag Heuer, he not only expanded his empire but also shaped the landscape of the luxury industry. Bernard Arnault's leadership style and innovative thinking set him apart from others. He empowered his teams and encouraged creativity, fostering a culture of excellence within his organization. His commitment to quality and innovation propelled his brands to the forefront of the global market. As his wealth grew, so did Arnault's dedication to philanthropy. He established the Fondation Louis Vuitton, which supports contemporary art and culture, leaving a lasting legacy that extends beyond the business world. Bernard Arnault's journey from a young entrepreneur to one of the richest men in the world is a testament to the power of determination, vision, and unwavering dedication. His story serves as a reminder that with passion and hard work, anything is possible.